Do you feel like your salary disappears as soon as it comes? No matter how much you want, savings money is possible. In this video, I will show you some simple, realistic ways to save money even with a low income. This is a complete beginner's guide, so watch till the end. Most people don't have an income problem, they have tracking problem. For 1 month, write down your rent, food, travel, mobile recharge, small daily expenses. Use a notebook or any free app. When you see your expenses clearly, savings becomes easier. You don't need to stop enjoying life. Start with small cuts, reduce outside foods, cancel unused subscription like Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. Use public transport when possible. Saving 20 to 50 daily may feel small, but it becomes 600 to 1000 per month. The biggest mistake beginners make is savings after spending instead of save first. The moment you get your salary, save at least 10%. Even 5% is okay at the start. Put it in a separate bank account or a recurring deposit. Treat savings like a bill you must pay. If your income is low, use a simple version. 70% needs like rent, food, travel, 20% wants like entertainment, shoppings, and 10% of savings. Don't try to be perfect. Consistency matters more than percentage. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund protects you from medical bills, job loss, urgent expenses. Start small. First goal 5,000, then 10,000, then 3 months of expenses. This will reduce stress and debt. Credit cards and easy EMI looks attractive, but they destroy savings. Rules to follow: avoid buying non-essential items on EMI. Never use credit card for daily expenses. If already in debt, pay in highest interest first. Savings become impossible with debt. If expenses are already minimal, focus on your income. Examples: freelancing, part time work, learning digital skills, weekend online jobs. Even 3 to 5,000 extra per month can boost your savings massively. Low income doesn't mean no savings, it means smart savings. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.